What separates millionaires from everyone else? Is it luck? Is it education? Is it connections? Or is it something deeper? According to Secrets of the Millionaire Mind, the biggest difference between wealthy people and everyone else is how they think. But here's the truth most people don't realize. Your income can grow only to the extent that you do. And if your mindset isn't built for wealth, no matter how much money you make, you'll eventually lose it. This is why many lottery winners go broke. This is why some entrepreneurs succeed and others fail. This is why some people build wealth, while others stay stuck. It's not just about money, it's about your financial blueprint. Your financial blueprint is the set of beliefs you have about money. Beliefs you learn from your parents, your environment, your experiences, and society. If you grew up hearing things like, money is hard to make, rich people are greedy, business is risky, you need money to make money, then chances are, you're unconsciously programmed to stay broke. But here's the good news. Your financial blueprint can be changed. And in this video, we're going to reveal the secrets of a millionaire mind that can help you build wealth, start businesses, and transform your financial future. But before we continue, if you're serious about business, entrepreneurship, and financial freedom, make sure you subscribe to this channel right now, because we post powerful business motivation, entrepreneurship strategies, and wealth-building secrets every single week. Subscribe now, and let's continue. Secret number 1. Millionaires think long-term. Poor mindset focuses on today. Millionaire mindset focuses on the future. Most people want quick money. They want instant success. They want overnight wealth. But millionaires think differently. They understand that wealth is built over time. They invest. They build businesses. They create systems. While others spend money on liabilities, millionaires invest in assets. Poor mindset buys expensive phones to impress people. Millionaire mindset buys assets that generate income. Poor mindset focuses on spending. Millionaire mindset focuses on building. This is why entrepreneurs become wealthy. They think long-term. They don't just think about today's income. They think about future income streams. They ask questions like, how can I make money while I sleep? How can I build a scalable business? How can I create passive income? This shift in thinking changes everything, because wealth isn't built overnight. It's built through consistency, patience, and smart decisions. Secret number 2. Millionaires take responsibility. One of the biggest differences between wealthy people and struggling people is responsibility. Poor mindset blames the economy, the government, their background, their education, their family. Millionaire mindset takes responsibility. They say, if I'm broke, it's my responsibility. If I fail, it's my responsibility. If I succeed, it's my responsibility. Because when you take responsibility, you gain control. And when you gain control, you gain power. Millionaires don't wait for opportunities. They create opportunities. They start businesses. They learn new skills. They take calculated risks. This is what separates entrepreneurs from employees. Employees wait for salaries. Entrepreneurs create income. Secret number 3. Millionaires focus on opportunities. Poor mindset focuses on problems. Millionaire mindset focuses on opportunities. Every business problem is an opportunity. Traffic problem? Start transportation business. Food problem? Start food business. Technology problem? Build tech solutions. Millionaires see problems and turn them into profits. This is why entrepreneurship creates wealth, because businesses solve problems. The bigger the problem you solve, the bigger the income you earn. This is why successful entrepreneurs always look for opportunities. They don't complain. They create solutions. Secret number 4. Millionaires think big. Poor mindset thinks small. Millionaire mindset thinks big. Poor mindset says, I just want to survive. Millionaire mindset says, I want to build wealth. Poor mindset looks for small income. Millionaire mindset looks for scalable income. They don't just want to make money. They want to build empires. They think globally. They think big. Because thinking big creates big results. Midway subscribe reminder. If you're getting value from this content and you want to learn more business and entrepreneurship secrets, make sure you subscribe now. Because the next secrets are even more powerful, and they could completely change your financial future. Secret number 5. Millionaires learn constantly. Poor mindset stops learning. Millionaire mindset keeps learning. Millionaires read books. They attend seminars. They learn from mentors. Because knowledge creates wealth. The more you learn, the more you earn. Successful entrepreneurs invest in books, courses, mentorship, skills. They understand that education is the best investment. Secret number 6. Millionaires work smart. Poor mindset works hard only. Millionaire mindset works smart. Working hard alone doesn't create wealth. Smart strategies create wealth. Millionaires build systems. They delegate. They automate. They scale. This is why business owners become wealthy. They don't trade time for money. They build systems that generate income. Secret number 7. Millionaires play to win. Poor mindset plays not to lose. Millionaire mindset plays to win. Most people are afraid of failure. They avoid risks. They stay in their comfort zone. But millionaires understand something powerful. You cannot win if you're afraid to lose. Entrepreneurs take calculated risks. They launch businesses. They test ideas. They learn from failure. Because failure is not the opposite of success. Failure is part of success. Every successful entrepreneur has failed before. They failed. They learned. They improved. And they succeeded. Millionaires don't fear failure. They fear staying average. Secret number 8. Millionaires surround themselves with successful people. Poor mindset surrounds themselves with negativity. Millionaire mindset surrounds themselves with growth. Your environment shapes your future. If you surround yourself with people who complain, you'll complain. If you surround yourself with people who dream, you'll dream. If you surround yourself with entrepreneurs, you'll think like an entrepreneur. Millionaires intentionally build strong networks. They connect with business owners, entrepreneurs, investors, mentors, because success leaves clues, and being around successful people helps you grow faster. Secret number 9. Millionaires manage money wisely. Poor mindset spends first. Millionaire mindset invests first. This is one of the biggest secrets of wealth. Most people earn money, then spend everything. Millionaires earn money, then invest first. They build multiple income streams. They invest in businesses, stocks, real estate, skills. They understand that money should work for them. Poor mindset works for money. Millionaire mindset makes money work for them. This is how wealth grows. Slowly, consistently, powerfully. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more amazing content. Your support helps this channel grow and keeps me bringing you valuable videos. Because this channel is dedicated to helping you build wealth, start businesses, develop a millionaire mindset, and achieve financial freedom, and learning powerful business and entrepreneurship strategies. Let's continue. Secret number 10. Millionaires believe they deserve wealth. This is the final and most powerful secret. Poor mindset believes, I don't deserve wealth. Money is bad. Rich people are greedy. Millionaire mindset believes, I deserve success. I deserve wealth. I deserve financial freedom. Your beliefs shape your reality. If you believe money is bad, you'll avoid it. If you believe wealth is good, you'll pursue it. Millionaires understand that money gives freedom. Freedom to help family. Freedom to build businesses. Freedom to create opportunities. Freedom to impact lives. Money is not evil. It's a tool. And when used correctly, it creates positive change. The truth is, becoming a millionaire is not just about money, it's about mindset. When you change how you think, you change how you act. When you change how you act, you change your results. And when your results change, your life changes. So remember these millionaire secrets. Think long-term. Take responsibility. Focus on opportunities. Think big. Learn constantly. Work smart. Play to win. Surround yourself with success. Manage money wisely. Believe you deserve wealth. These are the secrets of a millionaire mind. But here's something even more powerful. Millionaires don't just learn these principles, they live by them every day. They make decisions based on growth, not fear. They invest in opportunities, not excuses. They stay disciplined even when it's difficult. Because wealth is not built in one day. It's built through consistent habits, smart decisions, and a strong mindset. Start small. Think big. Stay consistent. And over time, you'll begin to see your financial life transform. If you found this content valuable, make sure you subscribe to the channel, because we create powerful business and entrepreneurship motivation designed to help you build wealth, start businesses, grow financially, and become successful. Like this video, comment, share, and subscribe now, and start developing the secrets of a millionaire mind today. Your journey to financial freedom starts now.